You already love your Traeger pellet grills. Today we're going to show you the Flatrock. You can do fajitas, smash burgers, pancakes, breakfast, anything on a flat top grill. This is the one you want. So the Flatrock grill is the only one of Traeger's lineup that's going to use your propane. One thing you want to do, and the first thing when you get your Flatrock, is you want to condition the griddle. If you don't condition that griddle, you're going to be in a lot of trouble. You're going to have food sticking. It's just not going to turn out. I had a friend of mine buy this several months ago, and he said it did take a while to use the conditioner on it, but once it did, he's never had problems with it since. So first and foremost out of the gate, get your griddle conditioned properly. Traeger has an excellent conditioner. He said he used about 2 tubes on there, so when you pick it up, get 2 tubes on there and make sure you take that time and get your griddle seasoned the correct way. So the Traeger Flatrock started out with just a 3-burner. Now they've also got a 2-burner option for you. If you're doing about 7 to 9 people, kind of a small family, you're gonna want the 2-burner. Larger groups, maybe a bigger patio size, you can go to the 3-burner. Each one of them has a 17-inch folding shelf. They'll both fold down on both sides, so it has a smaller footprint. One of the best things I love about it is the burners are a U-shape. They've got a lot of pinholes in there, so you're gonna get a good flame coverage on those. One of the big features that I like about the Flatrock is the carbon steel griddle is recessed way down inside the grill, so if you get into a windy place, it's not going to keep blowing your flame out. Also, it's going to be as close to those burners as you can to get, so you're going to have the true 3-zoned heating on the 3-burner and a true 2-zone on the 2-burner. So again, this griddle is heavy, it's deep, but it sits down there nice and it'll keep a nice even heat because of the carbon steel. As you're scraping your griddle down, it's got a little hole in the front of it where you can just scrape all your drippings, your scraps, everything. It'll go right down into the grease and keg container, so when you're done with your cook, you can just take it and dump it in. It's nice, easy, clean. You can keep your griddle cleaned as you're cooking along. One of the really cool features about this is you can take it wherever you go. It does not truly need power. For the igniter, it will run off of a 9-volt battery. However, some of your other features, propane level, some of the burner lights, they're not going to work without power, but you can still operate it. If you want to take it camping with you, you still can take it with you. Just make sure you have a 9-volt battery so you can use the igniter for that. Another great feature about the Flatrock is it's got 4 locking wheels on there, so as you're moving it around, like I said, it is kind of a little bit bigger and heavier grill. So with those 4 wheels, it does make it easy to maneuver it around wherever you want, and each wheel will lock once you get it in place so you can get it nice and stable. As with all the other Traeger grills that have come out lately, this one also has the pop and lock rail system. Again, one of my favorites, so any of the pop and lock accessories will fit onto this. So go ahead and accessorize your grill and make it yours. For you die-hard Traeger people, what you're going to notice first and foremost on this is the quality of the metal, the build, and this thing is rock solid. So it is Traeger strong all the way through. So what makes the Flatrock a great addition to your backyard grilling? Cover a few foods on there. So on your regular pellet grill, you're not going to be able to do your fajitas, pancakes, breakfast foods, and let's not forget our smash burgers. Traeger has a great smash burger kit. Highly recommend getting that for this. They've got another one. It's the Ultimate Flatrock kit. It's going to come with some spatulas, some steam bottles, some oil. It's got everything you need to really use this to its fullest potential. So I'm sure the question's out there, is it worth it? Well, that's going to be for you to decide. Let me tell you a couple things about this. So your 3-burner is going to be for your larger groups. You've already got your pellet grill. You're ready to add on and expand your outdoor kitchen. This one's going to be the one for you. It's going to retail at $9.99 for this. The 2-burner is going to be for a smaller group, smaller patio, a little bit smaller footprint. It's going to retail at $7.99. Again, the quality is there, the build, Traeger strong. Again, that's going to be for you to decide if this is for you. If you've already got a Traeger grill, the Flatrock will be a perfect addition to your outdoor cooking kitchen. What would be the first thing you'd cook on there? Let us know in the comments below. If you like this video, remember to like and subscribe.